Yamashite minasan konnichiwa gikoshoki shimasu. Watashi no nami wa hipporito tenshi desu. Kyou wa Nihongo no isat toyuji o kochika shoki shimasu. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hippolito Angel. Today I will share to you some of Japanese greetings and expression. Konnichiwa, konnichiwa. Hello. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. Konbanwa. Konbanwa. Good evening. Kore wa nan desu ka? Kore wa nan desu ka? What is this? O genki desu ka? O genki desu ka? How are you? Genki desu. Genki desu. I'm good, or I've been doing well, thanks. Ohisamashi buridin ne. Ohisamashi buridin ne. Long time no see. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Dotashimashite. Dotashimashite. You're welcome. Sumimasen. Sumimasen. I'm sorry, or excuse me. Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. Let's begin. Gokshuma deshita. Gokshuma deshita. It was delicious. Tete korimasen ka? Tete korimasen ka? Can you help me? Ema nan desu ka? Ema nan desu ka? What time is it right now? Ego tayo no wa. Ego tayo no wa. And in English, that's wakarimasen. Wakarimasen. I don't understand. Shirimasen. Shirimasen. I don't know. Washurimashita. Washurimashita. I forgot. Motoyokori kudasai. Motoyokori kudasai. Please go a little slower. Mo ichido kudasai. Mo ichido kudasai. Could you say that one more time?